I think it sounds great. All right. So you want to do the intros all over again from the top? I'd love to do something that breaks the mold and something that would be really, really different.
Well, I'm up for as wild as you want to get with it.
We just started sketching.
And I want to get the stance right. I wanted some apes on it, so there's a little bit of attitude and get your fists in the wind. Blacked out motor, blacked out pipes. And so I needed that dark color feel. We wanted it. I'm psyched that Jason's going to get to see it. I'm really excited to see what his reaction is to it, because I think we built up a little bit of an expectation. I think he knew that we were excited about the project, and I could tell that he was, so I'm really excited to see what his reaction is.
Wow, that's insane. I love it. Amazing.
Icing on the cake, we're going to auction it off for the Gibson Foundation, so it goes to charity. I think all that stuff combined is it's a great way to just kind of see it go out.
Now that is one of my best signatures.
Take it for a ride?
That's awesome. All right.